Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you'd like to know more about the benefits of paintless dent repair. Hi, my name is Tom Eister, the owner of Angelo Dent Removal. Today I'm going to be working on this 2019 Honda CR-V that's got a large dent in the fender, that's got a crease in it, and it has crushed the body line, so I'm going to have to reconstruct the body line using the paintless dent repair process. Let's go ahead and get started. So you can see there's actually no body line here, so we got to use the paintless dent repair process to reshape this body line, knock this high crown down, and raise this low at the bottom here. So because this dent is so extreme, how it had pushed through this line here, I'm going to have to use some extreme heat to soften the metal. I'm also going to have to use a soft tip. I'm using a tool made from Blim, but this will help prevent it from cracking, and it will soften this metal, so I'll be able to actually push this without cracking the paint. Now you can see through here how there's high marks, and there's the scratch there that needs to be buffed off. So we need to tap those down and probably use a little bit of compound to get that mark off. Now that we've got some of these highs knocked down, there's still a low in the line itself, so it needs to be rebuilt. So I'm going to go through there and go ahead and lift that up. Overall, we're getting the right shape though. Another flawless repair, like it was never there. Overall, very happy with the repairs. The body line is back in shape. If you'd like to know if your car is a candidate for paintless dent repair, give me a call at 325-703-6149 or stop by and see me at 2315 Sherwood Way. My name is Tom Eister, and thanks for watching.